our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss the important tips. You need to understand these tips in your final examination in the subject financial management. These tips will be helpful for you to score good marks, good grades, and easily you can get passed in your final examination. Okay, so follow these 5 instructions carefully in this particular subject, so that you can easily understand everything. Okay, so important tips I have saying. No, first thing, if you want to pass, if you want to score low grade, attempt all questions. Attempt all questions. Okay, because I have got to know some students were saying to me that why you have not attempted the questions, means what they are saying means I don't know akka, so that's why I was not attempted that question. This is the most funniest thing, ma. I have said previously also, whether you know or don't know the question, give an attempt. Okay, if you have given an attempt, definitely either 1 mark or 2 marks or half mark or 6 marks or full marks, they will allot it, bro. Okay, so attempt your questions. Attempting the question is your responsibility. Without attempting the whole question paper, you can't say someone that I was failed, I was not getting good marks, I was not scored O grade. You should attempt full question paper. You have known or don't know, that is a secondary. Okay, and second one, use only black pen, neat presentation. Okay, try to attempt theory. Okay, for example, you have attempted the problematic. You know that the problematic is not correct. What you need to do? In that question only, there is an option between, like how they will give the question paper means 1 theory, 1 problematic, or else 2 questions theory only they may give in each unit. This is the structure. You have attempted problematic, you know that problematic is wrong. That time after attempting the full paper, keep the word extra and attempt this alternative question. This alternative theory question you don't know, but still give an attempt. Whatever you understood, whatever, some single word if you have understood in that question also, based on that word, give an attempt to that question. How many sides you will write it? 3 sides, long. Part C also 3 sides. Part A 6 to 7 lines each answer. This is also very much important. How much lengthy you are writing your answers is also important. And when you are attempting the theory, try to draw the flow charts like this. Okay, try to draw the flow charts like this. Whatever the points, I have given only one question, 1 theory question in each unit. Okay, for example, unit number 1, you are preparing theory unit. Whatever the theory answer I have made you to write, I have done a separate video. Just watch that. You will get that one answer. Just be by heart with that one answer, and definitely whatever the type of question it might be coming in the examination, that answer will be suitable for all questions. Like that I have made some notes. So based on that notes, just make sure in that points you will have just based on that points only, that points you need to write it in the circles, and then again you need to write it in the structured. Okay, so structured answer is also important. Meaning, definition or introduction, definition, flowchart and answer. For example, this is your side heading, ma. What is your side heading? Risk management. Risk is your side heading. Okay, from here you need to start that answer. Okay, and after having finished this word, just give an align, and second one, profitability. Again, like this. Like this, answer structure is very much important. There is not at all having any specifications that you need to by heart whatever you are having in your material. You should not having any rules like that. Whatever is you are having in your mind, just put it on the paper. You just remember that you people are MBA. You are not in inter or you are not in degree. Okay, there is not at all having anything that you need to by heart it from the materials or the textbooks or things. Whatever you have understood, based on that, you need to create your own side points and you need to write it. Got it? So that is also one of the main important question. And if possible, if only possible, try to write extra. So one dialogue I will get it. I don't know the normal questions only. How can I write extra? You know the normal questions that you know, but the paper evaluator don't know. No? So that's why give an attempt to all questions. Try to write the extra also. Okay, just to follow this 5 tips, simple tips after your preparation. Okay, definitely 200% you will get pass, and those students who want to score O grade also, these tips will be helpful. Okay, all the best. See you all in the next video. If you're having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. All the very best again. See you all in the next video. Bye bye, students.